Why communication solves problems in less than 60 seconds. Here's how. Communication, guys, lalo na sa relationship, guys, is one thing that you should give focus and intensity on. Because men and women have different natures. And lalo na like sa corporate world, like, if you're not headed for the same goal, tapos wala kayong communication, eventually it's going to turn out really bad. In friendships na lalo, guys, you really don't communicate your thoughts and feelings. Eventually, yung relationship will work apart. So, communication is one aspect that you really give exam. We should value communication na hindi lang basta nakikipag-communicate. It's about understanding each other. So, if you're going to meeting, guys, so ganito, meeting kahit na friends, with ka-relationship mo or ka-career, just at a meeting, it's like communicating. The meeting is about communicating your thoughts for me. For meeting, guys, kasi notes na mga gusto mo sabihin or gusto mong gagawin. And that's pretty much it. Communicate properly. Easy as that. Yun lang, guys. Peace out.